the beginning, I've been searching online for some bike rack, but I couldn't find like anything really. I've been searching and finding some different weird shapes or heavy things, even really expensive sometimes, and they aren't just right for my road bike. But on the internet, as I've been researching a bit, I found that one, which I found really interesting. As I'm CAD designer, then I've just started to try to replicate it and make it for my bicycle somehow. And after some adjustments, after some tests on on the model, on the PC, I have been ready to start to bend the pipes to see if it could be real, if I could just make it, because I really want to make it, and it's looking good. That's why, yeah, this is the design I want to go with. I have some steel bars lying here around and aluminium bars, but I found out that the aluminium ones are much easier to bend, and that's why I went with them. Okay, I am pretty close to the result I wanted to get. It's from aluminium, so it's pretty easy to bend. Let's try to finish it. I wanted to do it out of steel, but these bars are too short. I've measured the whole distance and it should be about 1.2 meters in the length. And this one is exactly at the right length. This is too short. And this is the diameter. It's much harder to bend, but I will try still to do it with it. I have as well some this kind of thing, but it's maybe too weak. yeah. Okay, this was like everything for today's video because I don't have any welder, anything like that, and that's why I need to end this. If you want something like part 2 of the video, just write it like below in the comment section. I really appreciate it, and then yeah, I will try to gather myself somehow and then make more of it. I want to finish this stuff. Thank you very much and bye.